Satellite internet will play a key role in the 6G and next generation communication services. This is one of the latest smart satellite factories in Shanghai. Around 300 satellites will be assembled and tested right here per year after 2025. Chinese firms are banding together to build a G60 satellite constellation, comprising over 12,000 small satellites. Cao Jing and his colleagues at the Shanghai Genesat Aerospace Technology Company are now working around the clock to contribute their bit.
以及到26年呢，可以逐步释放到每年500到600颗星的这样的一个体量。现在目前卫星互联网其实面向的是更大规模的、更低成本的这样的一种空间基础设施建设，所以对于行业来说，面临到的成本问题和量产问题，需要有非常多的创新性的技术去解决现在目前过程中间的一些产品和装备的一些问题。
Data from the consultant firm iMedia Research estimates market revenue is projected to exceed 2.3 trillion yuan by 2024. With more companies investing in rockets, satellites, and other spacecraft, many believe the booming space sector will generate huge amount of job opportunities as well as applications in the field of science, medicine, tourism, and education.